Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into all things beauty to help you find the products that truly deliver. Today, we're reviewing a product that claims to tighten, firm, and restore the skin. PUR Beauty's Get a Lift Firming Facial Cream. This is marketed as a lightweight moisturizer designed to target sagging skin, fine lines, and wrinkles with a nature-based triple action formula. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. PUR Beauty's Get a Lift Firming Facial Cream comes in a sleek, minimalistic packaging, which immediately gives off that clean beauty vibe. It contains a blend of skin-loving ingredients such as Alfalfa Extract, Ceramides, omega-3, and Oat Kernel Extract. These ingredients are supposed to work together to hydrate, firm, and restore the skin's elasticity. It's a non-greasy formula that's paraben and gluten-free, and it's also vegan and cruelty-free. So, if you're passionate about ethical beauty choices, this may catch your eye. The directions are simple. Apply a small amount of the cream evenly to clean skin, day or night. In terms of real-world usage, I've been testing this cream for a few weeks now, and it's surprisingly lightweight. It absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any greasy residue, which I really appreciate, especially since I've been using it both during the day under makeup and at night as part of my evening routine. After applying, my skin feels soft and hydrated, which is a good sign for a moisturizer. However, when it comes to the claims of tightening sagging skin and reducing fine lines, I'd say it's a bit more subtle. While I've noticed smoother skin, the firming and wrinkle-reducing effects aren't as dramatic as advertised. It's definitely a product that will likely show its full potential with consistent use over time. Now, let's break it down. Pros: lightweight formula that absorbs quickly, hydrating and smooths the skin, contains beneficial ingredients like alfalfa extract and omega-3 that are great for skin restoration. Vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens and gluten. Non-greasy, making it ideal for layering under makeup. Cons: the firming effect isn't as immediate or intense as some might expect. While it claims to target fine lines and wrinkles, the results aren't groundbreaking, so it might not provide a significant change for those looking for strong anti-aging effects. The price point could be a bit high for those looking for more noticeable results quickly. When it comes to value for money, it's important to weigh the ingredients and the results. You're paying for a clean, nature-based formula with no unnecessary additives, which is a strong selling point. However, if you're specifically looking for drastic firming or anti-aging effects, there are other products out there that may offer more immediate results for a similar price. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few options like Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel or Olay's Regenerist Whip that may give you a more noticeable firming effect, but they often have more potent active ingredients like peptides or retinol for deeper skin benefits. In terms of build quality and longevity, the cream itself is well made and feels luxurious on the skin. I've had no issues with irritation, and it hasn't clogged my pores, which is important. However, long-term effectiveness might require a longer testing period to see more noticeable results. I haven't personally interacted with PUR's customer service team, but based on their reputation for clean beauty and cruelty-free products, they're known for being responsive and customer-centric. Their overall brand ethos leans toward providing high-quality, ethical products, so I imagine their support follows suit. To wrap things up, the PUR Get a Lift Firming Facial Cream is a solid, clean beauty option for hydration and smoothness. It may not deliver dramatic anti-aging effects right away, but its gentle formula and skin-loving ingredients make it a good choice for those seeking a lightweight moisturizer that's also ethical. If you're looking for a deep, instant firming effect, you may want to explore other options. But for anyone focused on hydration and long-term skin restoration, this could definitely fit into your routine. Is this review helpful? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other skincare enthusiasts can also find this video. Thank you so much for joining me here on Beautyistic today. If you have any thoughts or experiences with this product, drop them in the comments below. And if you're thinking about trying it, the link is in the description. Until next time, take care of your skin because, like always, glowing skin is always in on Beautyistic.